Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will tell you about how you can do screen recording in your this Poco smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So first you have to open your control center. You will see screen record. You have to tap on here. You can click on a single application or entire screen. Single application means selected one application will be recorded. Entire screen, whatever you are doing will be captured. Then here it is record audio. So here it is the device audio and microphone. So means the device sound and your sound also be included in the video, or microphone only without your voice, and this device audio only. So here it is the device audio, microphone, your voice only. You can click on start recording and now select the application like the Chrome. If you have chosen this, now you can see the screen recording is started. You can see you can do whatever you want and then click on stop, and it will be saved to your gallery just like this. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.